Yeah. First bit we completed, right? Ma, even second bit verification part also I gave B bit as a homework, right?
No. Yes, ma'am.
First bit we did in the class only, right? Second bit I told to do once again, verify the part of LHS to RHS I gave. Okay,
Yes,
we'll finish up the second bit, second one. Then we can start doing. Kritvik, please try to follow, ma. Once again, we will revise the things. A multiplication of integers follow certain rules. How addition of integers follow. Addition of two integers are same. The rules, please learn the rules. Addition of two integers of same size. Integers in addition. In addition, integers of same sign. Integers of same sign. We are adding and keeping greater number sign. Adding and keeping greater number sign. Yes or no? We are using greater number sign. For sign, for example, -3 and -4. I should add up these two. These are same sign because it is, they mentioned the same sign means what you should do? You have to add. 3 plus 4 is? 3 plus 4 is? 7. What is the greater number sign here? Greater number having which sign?
Ma'am, it's having minus. Negative.
-7. Negative sign. Same way, like both are same, like signs. Like both are +3 +4 means what is the result? We have to add. We have to add. And keep the greater number sign, that's all. If integers are unlike signs. Integers are unlike. Same signs means same signs. Unlike signs means different signs. You have to subtract. You have to subtract and keep greater number sign. Suppose I want to add -7 plus 3. What is the result, ma?
Minus -4.
-4. That means you are subtracting. 7 minus subtracting and keeping the greater number sign. Suppose 3 and -7 or plus -3 and +7.
+4.
+4. Greater number having positive sign. That's why it's a plus sign you are getting. Nothing is there means you have to keep it as plus. Hope you understood. These are addition rules. Coming to multiplication. What about multiplication, children? Multiplication. Minus into minus. Minus into minus.
Plus.
Very good. Plus into plus.
Positive plus.
Positive result you will get. Minus into plus.
Negative.
Negative. Plus into negative.
Negative.
Negative. Because if you see, these are unlike. Unlike signs means negative result you are getting. Like signs means, like means the same signs. In multiplication, same signs you are multiplying means you are getting positive result. If it's an unlike signs, you are multiplying negative result. Not only this, you have to depend, here only we are using two integers. If more than two integers means you have to count number of signs. If signs are odd number, signs are odd number. What is the result?
Negative.
Negative. If all signs are together even number. Positive result you will get. Same multiplication, normal multiplication, keep the positive. Same like division 2, children. Division 2. Division. In division, negative sign divided by negative number. If you divide, what is the result you will get?
Positive.
Why? Because negative signs are cancelled and positive divided by positive.
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 Negative divided by positive.
Negative.
Negative.
Positive divided by negative.
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 That means unlike signs, you are getting negative. Like means you are getting positive. These are the basic things, children. Please remember, very important. Subtraction, if you are subtracting any number, minus of minus, if you see in subtraction, you may get a positive. Minus of minus become plus. And in today's class, let me go with our exercise where we are stopped in exercise verification part, B bit. Which property, children, we can use here? By looking only, you can say. To minus 21, then we're using brackets for minus 6 and minus 4. Minus 21, they're using bracket minus 4 and minus 6. Which property, children? By using brackets, if you're taking any number outside the bracket, means it is distributive property. This number is distributed for both the numbers inside the bracket. So that means A into B plus C can be written as A into B plus
A into C.
A into C. This is a true, children. So if you have to do like that, if 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Come on, same way you have to do it. You can simplify, both the cases are true or false. You can check it because they are asking to verify. Minus 4 and minus 6 become, what is the value of same signs you are adding?
Ma'am, 10. Minus 10.
Very good, it's minus 10. Very good. Right side, minus 24 into 4. No, minus of minus.
Ma'am, positive 84.
Positive
84.
Very good. Plus next one.
Ma'am, positive 126.
Positive 126.
26, ma'am.
Very good. Now minus of minus. In multiplication, both are like signs, means plus you will get. It's my plus. Nothing to write plus. No need to write. 210 is equal to. Here if you add, which is also equal to. Is it 116 or 126?
Ma'am, 126, ma'am.
Here it's 74 or 84.
84, ma'am.
Together it is 210 only, right? Both are true. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence,
Yes,
it is. Hence,
verified.
it is verified or proved. Anything verified. You can write that conclusion statement. That's more important. Hope you understood, children. Any doubt here?
No doubt, ma'am.
Which property we used? What is this property name? I said mother and children property, distributive property. Distributive property. You have to mention, children, multiplication over addition. If you want, write complete distributive property, multiplication over addition. Any doubt, children? Any doubt here? Please do it, children. Please do your own. Try to do. Can we move to the next bit, Kritvik? Anubhav?
Yes, ma'am.
Varshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. That's about 2 bits. So this is already decided. We are minus 1 multiplied with any number, you will get minus 1 into A.
A, ma'am.
Minus A. Minus 1 into A.
Minus 1 into A plus to minus A.
Very good. Minus 1 into A is equal to minus A. Right. There are few questions here. Product with negative 1 into minus 22. Negative 1 into negative 22. What is the result, children?
Positive 22.
Positive?
22.
Very good. Positive 22. Next, negative 1 into 37.
Ma'am, negative 37.
Very good. It's negative 37. And the other case is also mentioned here. What is the other case here? Negative 1 into 0.
Ma'am, 0.
0. Right. Right. That's about your fourth bit, children. And we are mentioning these also. We did also, but anyway, Kritvik was not there. That's why we are going once again. These all are. Or else directly we can go from fifth bit onwards.
Ma'am,
So minus.
ma'am, in the third bit, second one, determine the integers whose product is with minus 1 is, you told minus 1 into minus 22. Now, ma'am, it's minus 1 into 22, ma'am. It's wrong. Yes.
Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. This is the number. You have this number multiplied with minus 1. What is the result?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, coming to this pattern, you have to write Nana minus 1 into 5. What is the value? Minus 1 into 5.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Minus 1 into 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 1 into 3.
Minus 3.
Good. Minus 1 into 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 1 into 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 into 0.
Ma'am, 0.
So what is the next number you may get here? Minus 1 into? You can see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, what is the next number?
Ma'am, minus 1.
Very good. So now you see the pattern. Minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and up 0, down is 1.
1.
That's why they are asking the pattern to write this, how minus of minus is 1. Can we go with question number 5 more?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very important bit, children. Definitely, damn sure in the examination you may test this question. Surely I gave homework also, but I am not satisfied with the homework part given by my student. One of the students sent me the wrong answers. I gave the message also in the class. We will discuss. Who is that?
Me, ma'am. I got wrong.
Okay, not an issue. We will discuss. Okay. Fine. And one more student did very correct. Who is that?
Anubhav.
Anubhav. Okay, good, Nana. Anubhav, I saw the both the kids are doing ninth bit. He also did correct. Kritvik and Anubhav did all bits are correct. Once we have to go through this because this is more important. Now, by looking the question, who is mother here?
Ma'am, in A1. Minus 48. 48.
Who is minus 48? Who are children?
Ma'am, 26 and minus 36.
Very good. Come on, children, use the distributive property. Yes, yes. One by one, who will say, raise the hand? Varshit, you can answer this question. Then we will
Okay.
go forward with Ritvik, then Anubhav. 26, fifth bit, first one. 26 multiplied with minus 48. Then plus minus 48 multiplied with minus 36. Yes, Varshit, what is the step we can use from this? There are two terms here. Who are common here?
Ma'am, 26, no ma'am, minus 48 is common, ma'am.
So I can take outside and I can use bracket.
26 plus minus 36.
26 plus minus 36. What is the value of 26 plus minus 36? This
Ma'am,
value.
minus 10.
Minus 10. Very good. So 48 into minus 10 become?
What, ma'am?
The product of 48 minus 48 and minus 10.
Ma'am, 480, ma'am.
Very good. It's 480. Which property we used here?
Distributive property, ma'am.
Don't write mother and children. I'll just for your remembrance I gave. In the examination, if you write as a mother and children property, Varshit, ma'am will cut our marks. So
Yes, ma'am.
distributive property.
Okay,
Your
ma'am.
remembrance I gave mother and children property, distributive property. Now be bit Kritvik. Are you there, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
8 into 53 into minus 125. 8 into 53 into minus 125. By looking only, anywhere we can change order to make our calculation more easy.
Yes,
You can see anywhere friends are there, so we can make them as friends group.
8 into minus 25 into 56.
Wonderful, excellent. These are the order I changed. This is the order I changed. Third place to second place I took minus 125. So order change property is nothing but order change property is nothing but no. Order changes. Order changing
commutative.
commutative property. And also we used grouped also. We grouped these two also, commutative as well as associative. Both we are using here, children. Now this 8 and minus 125 is nothing but what is the value?
Minus, yes, ma'am. Minus 1000 into 53.
Now what is the answer to multiply with 1000 with 53?
50 minus 53,000.
Very good. Very good. That's all, children. What is the property we used here?
And commutative and
Very good. Commutative property we are using here. We shifted the third order to second order. That's why it is commutative. And also we are using using bracket to solve this question. That's associative property. Very good about question number B, who gave Prithvik, very good. And C, Anubhav should be responded immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
15 negative 125. Now, where is the question, sir? Ah, 15 and negative. 15 and negative 25 multiplied with negative 4 multiplied with negative 10. Negative 4 and negative 10. Yes. What is the property I can use?
Ma'am, we
Can I
can
use
use as
directly
50
this as a friend? This no need to use it directly. Can I make this as a group?
Yes, ma'am.
15 into minus 25 into minus 4.
Ma'am, 200.
No, no, not 25 fours are
100, sorry, ma'am. 100.
100 and negative 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I multiplied this all 15 into negative 1000, which is minus 15,000 is the answer. Which property we used here? Grouping property. Grouping property is nothing but
Property.
associative property. And D bit, who will give answer? Negative 41 and 1. Who? Yes, Varshit. Negative 41 and 1 or 2. Negative 41 and 1 or 2. Use the property, Nana. So
Ma'am,
instead of, can you expand 1 or 2?
100 plus 2, ma'am.
Excellent. 100 plus 2. So which property here I can use?
Ma'am, associative, ma'am.
Nana, both operations, multiplication and addition, both are there. Who is
Commutative,
bracket outside? Bracket outside, who is?
distributive, ma'am.
Distributive property. Don't forget mother and children property. Don't neglect our parents.
Okay, ma'am.
Distributive property. Distributive property. You know very well. So negative 4. Mother is distributing her love and affection towards the first child. Plus, again, mother is distributing lunch box to the second child also. Not only worship.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what we can do, both ways, mother is distributed here. Negative 4,000. 100
4,000 plus
plus
82,
negative.
ma'am. Negative
Negative.
82.
If both are the same signs, means what we should do, Varshit?
Ma'am, we should add them.
Add up means what is the answer?
4,182, ma'am. Negative.
4,000 negative. Very good. That's all. That's all. Very good, Varshit. Very good. Suppose instead of 1 or 2, they gave 98 means what you will do?
Ma'am, 90 plus 8, ma'am.
Oh, why you are using 90 plus 8? Instead of 90 plus 8, can we use as 100 minus 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, use this. Don't use, you can use 90 plus 8 also, but 9 table and 8 table takes time. Instead of using 100 and 2 table is more easier. So you can use 100 minus 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Kritvik, can we go? I think Varshit is clear with this concept, right? Any doubt here?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Which property we used?
Distributive property, ma'am.
If examination, if you write associative, what you will do? That's nonsense. We should not do any mistake. Okay. We are neglecting. This is mother and children. We all love our mothers, right? This is mother and children property. Now coming to the question goes to Kritvik. Are you ready, Nana? Kritvik? Kritvik, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your question is EBIT. Who is mother? Identify.
Ma'am, 625 and minus 625.
Very good. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll write on the board so that you can see clearly and you can think also. 625 into 35 plus minus 625 into what is the number given here? 65.
No, 65.
This is also minus 35. This is also 65, right? Kritvik, this is a very special case. This, which property is same? Who is distributed here?
From 625 is distributed to that minus 65.
But this minus sign can be sent to the next number. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. You can.
we can. Now, who is mother?
Ma'am, 625 only.
Can I take mother outside?
Yes, ma'am.
What I will use? I will use.
Ma'am, into minus 35
I will
plus
use. What I will use? I will use.
ma'am, distributive property.
Property. Okay. What is the number? Children. Who are children?
Yes, ma'am. Minus 35 plus
Minus?
65. Minus 65.
Plus 65 or minus 65?
Ma'am, minus 65.
Now 625. So what is the same signs means we can add and keep the common sign.
100, ma'am.
Which 100?
Minus 100.
Then what is the answer?
Ma'am, minus 6. Wait.
25
6, 2,
followed
5.
by figures.
Ma'am, 62,000 minus 62,500 is the answer.
Very good. Which property we used here?
Distributive property.
Very good. Now Anubhav is there.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Anubhav, which one we can do for F bit or which property we can use?
Ma'am, commutative property.
Hey, F bit, F. 7 into 15 minus 2. Bracket is there means which property? Who will say? What is the property we can use here?
Associative.
Who said associative?
Ma'am, Varshit.
Gundu pagal kodtanu.
Distributive.
Yeah, mother is outside, right? How you can say associative? ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నావంటే ఫుట్బాల్ అయిపోయింటావు నువ్వు. Yes. Next, who is mother here? Hello,
Ma'am,
Hero.
7. Ma'am, 7.
Very good. Who are children?
Ma'am, 50 and minus negative 2.
Come on, tell next step what we should do.
Ma'am, we should subtract from 50 negative 2.
No, we should not do first. We are using properties. Use property.
Okay, ma'am, then we should do 7 into 50. Then
Very good. Very good. Minus.
ma'am, 7 into 2.
That's all. Good. Great work. Next, come on.
Ma'am, 350 minus 14.
What is the value here?
Ma'am, I think 336.
I absolutely correct. Now, which property we used?
Ma'am, distributive property.
Very good. Distributive property. Multiplication over subtraction. Distributive property. If you want, write full multiplication over subtraction. Multiplication over subtraction. That's all, children. That's about. Very good. I'll appreciate Anubhav because he's way more confident than others. You people are not giving such a confident answers. Where is Varshit? Not there. Kritvik.
No, I'm there, ma'am.
Are you there? Okay. Where are you escaped?
Ma'am, I'm here only.
Don't go. If you are not there, I won't teach. Because I'm seeing you, I'm teaching.
Okay, ma'am.
If you forget the mother and children property, what I will give punishment, one day I'll take your mom to my home. Then you came to know how much importance mother is.
Ma'am, when I go to school.
Okay, right. Negative 17 G bit, please come for G bit. Negative 17 into negative 29. Negative 17 into negative
29.
17 into negative 29. It's a G bit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the way? I'm not going to give any way. Even I don't know how to do. So my people can suggest, then only I'll do on the board. Or else
Ma'am,
I will also.
negative 17 into 30
Okay.
minus 1.
Very good. Negative 17 into 30 minus 1 or minus 30 plus 1.
Minus 30 minus 1.
Minus 30 plus 1.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Plus 1. Sorry. Plus 1.
సారీ లేదురా రే తప్పు చెప్పావంటే గుండు పగలు కొడతాను సారీ ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ నేను నెగటివ్ 29 వెరీ క్లియర్లీ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ నౌ హూ ఈస్ మదర్ హూ ఆర్ చిల్డ్రన్ కమ్ ఆన్
Ma'am, 17 is mother and 30 minus 30 and 1 are children.
sign so who is mother once again clearly tell
Ma'am, minus 17 is mother and minus 30 and 1
is
are
one
children.
child and another child is
1, ma'am. Just 1.
So mother is distributed both students. Mother is preparing for both carriers, not for a single child. That's why both ways we are multiplying. Now next step. Come on, come on, come on.
Ma'am, minus
Ah.
17 into minus 30.
It is plus, right? Minus of minus become
Plus, ma'am. Ma'am,
right?
plus
Ah.
510, ma'am. 510.
Very good. It's 510.
Plus minus 17, ma'am.
Now what is the final answer?
Ma'am, 493.
Very good. It's 493. Which property we used here?
Ma'am, distributive property.
Very good. Very good, Varshit. Now, Kritvik turn. Really, it's a very good question, Kritvik. If you think it's very, very good question.
From H1, right?
Yeah, H1 for you. Who is mother?
Minus. Ma'am, 57, ma'am. If we bring minus 19 sign to 57, it will become minus 57.
Very good, very good. Let me check. I don't know, you supposed to tell the answer here. Let me go with board negatives 57 into negative 19. Plus 57. Only this part is given.
Ma'am should bring minus sign to 57 from 19.
So you can first step only, you can make it. This is negative of negative becomes minus of minus.
Minus of minus positive, right?
Very good. So can I write 57 into 19 plus 57? Nothing is there means 57 into 1 I can write. 57 ones are again 57, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now who is mother? Now you can assess your mother easily.
Ma'am, 57.
Who are children? Can I use bracket here?
Yes, ma'am. 19 plus 1, ma'am.
1. What is the value of 19 plus 1?
Ma'am, 20.
So now 57 2 times. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. 0.
Very good. Kritik also followed. Only that the clue is this bit is more important, children. Other day, Anubhav did this bit, even he did with multiplied with 1. I gave 3 stars to Abhinav also.
Yes, ma'am. Is it ma'am 1140?
1140. Yes, correct. Which property we used? Property name.
Ma'am, distributable.
Hope you understood, children. This complete all 4 properties. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Okay. Then directly 6, 7, 8 will finish up 9th bit already done by the students. We are going with the 6th bit. Who will read the 6th bit? Anubhav?
Yes, ma'am.
Please start doing 6th one.
A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins?
After 10 hours, the process begins. What is temperature? The certain freezing point, room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius. So what is the initial temperature of room right now?
40 degrees Celsius?
Yes. Room temperature is equal to 40 degrees Celsius. Every hour, decrease temperature in every hour. Per hour, decrease temperature per hour.
Ma'am, 5 degrees Celsius.
Temperature per hour is 5 degrees Celsius. After 10 hours, decrease in temperature after 10 hours. After 10 hours, decrease, temperature decrease. Temperature decrease after 10 hours. So 10 into 5, which is 50. So initially room temperature was 40. Decreased temperature is 50. 10 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 50 degrees, which is, what is the room temperature right
Negative
now?
10.
Negative 10.
So
So
negative 10
temperature
degrees
after
Celsius.
decrease. Temperature after decrease
Yes.
is negative 10 degrees Celsius. Hope you understood, Kritvik, and where is the other boy, Varshit?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Right, now question goes to
Varshit.
Varshit, okay. Varshit, 7th bit. There are 3 bits. The 7th bit, first one you can.
In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and -2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and
Okay.
0 for questions not attempted.
Okay.
First bit. Mohan gets 4 correct answers and 6 correct answers. What is
4 correct
his
means
score?
how many marks for correct?
Ma'am, 5 marks, ma'am.
How many marks for wrong?
-2, ma'am.
So about first question, Mohan, about Mohan's score was given. 4 correct answers and how many incorrect? 6 incorrect answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 4 correct means 4 5s are 20. 6 incorrect means 6 negative 2. Because each negative wrong answers negative marks. 20 minus 20 plus -12, which is
8, ma'am.
8 marks. Mohan scored how many marks?
8 marks.
Now another question, children. What is the other question given in second bit? Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? 5 correct. Reshma, about Reshma. 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. For 5 correct answer, 5 5s are 25, 5 incorrect, 5 minus 2. So 25 plus minus 10, which is
15.
15 marks. So Reshma got 15 marks, whereas Mohan got 8 marks. Now, what is the third question given, Kritvik?
Ma'am, Hina gets 2 correct and what is her score?
Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers. Out of 7 questions, she attempts. Out of 7 questions, she attempts. What is her score? She get 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers. Out of 7 questions. How many she attempted, right? For 5 correct and 5 correct and Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect. This is about Hina. 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers. Of 7 questions she attempts. So number of questions she attempts was 7. What is the total score? For 2 correct answers, 2 5s are 10. 5 incorrect means minus 2. 10 plus minus 10 is 0. She awarded how many marks?
0.
That's all, 0 marks. Yeah, children, these are more important bits. You can do it. These are what is her score means. You can say this is her score was 0. Hina's score was 0. Now this is a cement company, a profit. There are 2 types of cements are selling: white cement and gray cement. On white cement, profit earns 8 rupees. On gray cement, loss earning -5. A company sells 300 white cements and 500 gray cements. So for profit means plus children, loss means
3,000 and 5,000 more.
no, that is only number of bags. Profit and you have to profit take as plus. Profit take as plus. Loss you take as minus. Company is selling 2 types of bags, children. Company is selling 2 types. One is white color cement bags and gray color cement bags. There are 2 varieties are selling. Here the profit it is getting rupees 8 per bag. Here loss is getting, how much loss is getting? Loss means minus 5 కదా నాన్న, loss ఎంత వచ్చింది? Loss of rupees 5 per bag. So -5. And a company, what is the first condition? What is the first one? A company sells 3,000 bags of white cement. 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of gray cement. So for 3,000, how much profit it is getting, children? 3,000 into 8. For 5,000, how much loss it is getting?
5,000 into 5.
Into minus 5. Minus 5 because loss. 8 3s are 24,000. Minus 5 5s are 25,000. What they are getting? Some company, what they are getting? They're getting
Loss. Loss of
loss. How much loss it is getting?
1,000 rupees, ma'am. Loss of 1,000 rupees.
In first case, they are getting loss of 1,000 rupees. B bit, what number of white cement bags must be sold to have neither profit nor loss? If number of grey bags sold were 6,300.
400, ma'am.
Very important, children. We don't know white cement bags. Multiplied with profit as 8. And grey cement bags as 6,400. Loss as minus 5. You should not get neither profit nor loss, means it is 0 profit. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that this can be written as 8W minus, please multiply 64 into 5. 8 times white cement bags is equal to 32,000. I want only white cement bags, means this multiplied with 8. If you send to other side, it comes under division. 4,000 white cement bags should be sold that so that they never get profit or loss. Any doubt here, children? Kritvik?
I got it.
Any doubt here?
No, understood.
Anywhere, any particular point you have doubt here?
No, ma'am. I understood, ma'am.
Only the thing you need to write the statement. If you're able to write the statement expression, it's easy. That's all, children. I think we have last exercise in this chapter. We'll finish up in next class. That's all for the day, children. Division part is left over. Division we will teach in next class. Please go through all the bits, children. You have to try to do your own. Properties and word problems are more important for your examination too.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all for the day, children. Bye. Have a good day. And other day, children, wait. You did not see the result, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll share the result. 1 minute, children. Just a minute time. Test.
Ma'am, I didn't attend this.
Who did not attend?
Ma'am, Kritika was out of station.
Oh, you mentioned, right? Mama is keeping message also, right? Where is the question paper? I cannot find the question paper.